Ang malaki dun oh. Monica and Bernard is just down there. They swim. But I need to go back because it's so hot here. Meron din doon oh. Madami akong na-harvest dito sa part na to. Oh, also dito, ang dami. Marami din pala dito. Hindi ko nakita. Ayan. You know. Oops. You're so dark na! Sa tita nung may ko dating niya. Napagkuhan na. Okay. Kunain ko lang si juice bar. Oh, wait. May na-harvest tayo, guys. Mukbang ko ito mamaya. Na guys, ito na yung nakuha ko kanina. Masarap. Ang luto dito ay paksiw. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung yan. Ewan ko ba? Kasi mama tanggalin daw ito. Yung mga puti-puti niya na loob. Yan. Napakasarap. Ito yung kakainin natin. Tsaka ito. Ipapaksir ni mama. At saka ito. Luto na. Kailangan atang pitpitin ko muna. So, ito na yung cactus flower. Yeah, cactus flower.
Salah. Just tortilla.
Nice.
It's good now, yeah.
Try. Oh. Nice.
Like good lah, can plug a free one lah.
Yeah. Still, maybe after 1 week or after 5 days, like that, can harvest again there. Oh wow, very nice. Like mushroom. Then, di mama eh. Ito na yung yung shell. Yan. Ooh.
Give me that thing.
Look. Gusto mo na to yun? Sige na eh. Ano?
Still a lot, weh? No more here. Plug lah, plug.
Is it? No, you know.
Oh, I know, it's nice, but how I know, I never try one.
No, you first time to try it, right?
Oh, I like to eat all this local food.
Local food. Local food also. We also have this one. Bamboo shoot.
Me bamboo shoot.
All that one is local food. You cannot see this in restaurant. You only can see this in province.
Mother not yet.
I don't know where is she. Wow. What's changing clothes?
Where's the chili?
Napakasarap.
Oh, I never cook the pork.
Ano na? Tonight. All vegetables. All vegetable.
All vegetables. Then try for 1 week or see. Try 1 week for vegetable.
Again.
Huh? 1 week vegetable. Healthy food, huh?
Healthy food. But I just like it now.
No, I eat healthy food.
What's the taste? Like what?
Even the banana, I also like it. Banana put kind of so much.
What them?
Simple but so much.
This
Kita
right
cook morangai and the what?
bamboo shoot and
They cook morangai and the what?
Malunggay.
Very nice one.
nice one. Wow.
Yeah.
Nagay, malunggay ko ni...
Malunggay.
That's what. Also very nice the soup.
Malunggay, okra ko.
Kan. Kung lalo ko sa luyo kan tagumalis.
Sitaw, malunggay.
No need to eat. No need to eat.
Kapatite.
No need to eat rice. Just eat this one.
No morangai.
Look at this one. Right. So delicious. Local food.
Baik ha. Jadi easy baik.
See?
Okay.
Local food. Pero mas masarap to pag ano may piyas, kamyas.
Sige,
Sinigang mix na lang yung
ano
nilagay
naman
namin.
pasok?
This is my favorite. Become my favorite. Paksiw na cactus flower.
Tulog na tayo? Tulog na?
Won. Baka.
Si kami namin nag-ibaga na.
Kaya na ito pa.
Ang salaban. Adin ako.
Bagay di rice one.
Mga anak ka. Oo. Ikaw ang nagubigay ka.
That one is also right.
Soup is okay. Give me some.
Yeah.
Lang din lang. Finish already? Like the longer.
What is that? Long beans.
Try.
Saan na? Awang kami tumakan magalan.
Nana, free by ka nung nana. Simply jaya.
This is our
Pag may pwede ko sige.
lunch.
Apa nak?
Napigsahan namin. Pero hanggang sa to.
This way? Sama dia?
Nabuha mo na ipos na. Na? Nabuha mo. Yeah. Ipos na. Nga. Nga video. Akong video.
Ang sarap.
So dari slow. Nag-video dyan.
Para talaga siyang
Pag
ano.
kalawag pa rin mo.
Para talaga siyang
Dito pa
mushroom.
nang galaman dito. Dito mo.
Hop.
Dito pa kasi.